Have you ever needed to access an important file in Google Drive but had no internet connection? Whether you're on a flight, in a remote area, or just dealing with spotty Wi-Fi, this simple trick will make sure your files are always within reach. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your Google Drive files available offline in 2025, step by step. First, let's talk about why this is important. Offline access lets you open, view, and even edit your files without the internet, and any changes you make will sync automatically once you're back online. This works for Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and even other files stored in your drive. Here's how to do it. Open Google Drive on your computer using the Chrome browser. Offline mode works best with Chrome because it uses the Google Docs offline extension. If you don't have it installed, Google will prompt you to add it. Sign into your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the account where your files are stored. Go to Settings, click the gear icon in the top right corner of Google Drive and select Settings. Enable offline mode. In the Settings menu, check the box that says Create, Open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. Select the files you want to make offline. Once offline mode is turned on, you can right-click any file in Google Drive, then choose Available Offline. A small checkmark icon will appear, meaning it's ready to use without internet. And that's how you make your Google Drive files available offline in 2025. No more worrying about losing access during travel or poor internet conditions. If this guide helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips, and share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.